Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to register as a vendor in Shops at Maker Mall. For this, you have to go to the Shop platform at Maker Mall. Then click on the Account button. Since you are not a registered user yet and you are not logged in, it will take you to the Login and Registration page. Check I am a vendor since you want to register as a vendor. It will show you a form with the fields to be filled out. Provide all the necessary information. It will take no more than a minute. Okay, now a setup wizard will appear to initially set up my dashboard after registration. There is a setup form for the store, which I already done when registering. Also, information on how to set up payment is there, which I am skipping for now. That's it. You are a registered vendor. Admin will enable your selling ability after reviewing your information. Congratulations, selling is enabled. There are other buttons at the top to go to other dashboards for other services. You can go to e-learning dashboard, you can go to social profile, job dashboard, job listing, etc.